Yo, what's going on, guys? Shane here, HomeBizNetworks.com. Thanks for joining me again here. Listen, this is part 3 of on a video series I'm putting together on why I'm winning at affiliate marketing. Okay, and I'm gonna leave links to the videos 1 and 2 below. But in the first video, I talked about why I'm winning at affiliate marketing, and I pretty much talked about how I'm putting a lot of work and a lot of research. Okay. In part 2, I discuss about why having patience is key to affiliate marketing, right? And in this video, part 3, I'm going to talk to you and discuss about how putting your clients and your customers first is why I'm the key to why it's the key to winning affiliate marketing, all right? So what I want to talk about, guys, is the reason why. How do I explain this? What changed my my business a lot, besides the other 2 videos, right? Having patience and putting in the work. Another key reason is this, and this is my third key. All right, sorry, it's taking me a minute to get to it here, guys, but hold on. All right, it's putting the customers first. Okay, thinking about products, services that will benefit my client or my customers. Okay, that is the key. Once I stop thinking about things I want to sell and how I want to sell them, right, and I started putting you guys first, was when more of the leads started to come in. Okay, for me, it was when my business started growing. Once I started to put more focus on the problems and issues that you guys are having with your websites and your marketing, your SEO, and I was able to think about you guys first and things that would benefit you guys first, okay, my business started changing a lot. Okay, and the 3, you got to have patience. You got to put in the work and do the studying. You got to have a little patience, and you got to put your customers first and figure out their pain points and what they need. Okay, now how was I able to do this? All right, because I took a couple minutes and I thought, when I was starting out, what helped me? What did I need? What sort of problems did I have? What sort of learning curves did I need to climb over to get past this hump, right? And once I started to think about who my ideal client is and what their needs are and how to provide what they need the easiest, fastest, okay? So some tips on how to do that, all right? So like what I did is started thinking about when I got started in web marketing, blogging, I thought, what would help me the best? Well, what do I need the most? That's going to help me, that's going to help me, that would help me, you know what I mean? So what did I need back then that's going to help me out the most, right? And I started to base my products around that, okay? Another tip on how to do this is actually in Facebook groups. You'll see like a lot of the same sort of questions pop up. How do I do this? It's a bug in this software. What software is better? That sort of stuff. Whatever your niche is, there's Facebook groups and there's people asking questions, okay? That's one way to figure out what pain points are. Another tip you can figure out on what pain points are your customers are, if you have an email list, you can send out a survey on, hey, do you like this stuff? Do you like that better? What's the biggest problem with this tool? What's your biggest issue in business? That sort of stuff, okay? So that's just 3 tips that can get you started that I've used to find out how to help my customers out better, okay? So I guess my third point on why I'm winning at affiliate marketing is because I'm putting my customers' needs and business wants first. I'm figuring out what they need and the easiest, simplest way to get what they need and what they're looking for to them, okay? Now, if you guys want to check out my other 2 videos on this below, I think I'm going to have a 4th or 5th one out on this stuff. Guys, this is really important. This is a really important series. This sort of information will help me out a lot when I first got it started, and so that's why I'm putting it out for you guys, all right? My name's Shane, HomeBizNetworks.com, all right? Thanks for checking out this video. Like, share, subscribe, you know the deal. Comment below if you have any questions, any problems with your websites. I hope this video helped you out a lot about, okay? So just a little quick recap, right? First, okay, the first reason why I'm winning at affiliate marketing is because I'm putting in the work and I'm doing the research, okay? The second reason why I'm winning with affiliate marketing is because I had patience, okay? Because I had patience. The third reason why I'm winning at affiliate marketing is because I'm putting my clients' needs first. I'm thinking about them first. I'm thinking about tools, software, equipment, tips, strategies, whatever that's going to help them out and how to give them the biggest, not bang for the buck, but the easiest way that they can access these sort of tools and products. So it's about putting your clients first in this video, thinking about what they need and the easiest way to give them what they need. Okay, my name's Shane, HomeBizNetworks.com. Hopefully you like this series. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that jazz. Hope to see you guys soon. Let's bid out their websites. It's a beautiful snowy night here in Massachusetts. Wishing all you buddy, all my peeps out in Texas, I wish you guys the best of luck. I'm building a few websites for some clients out there right now, going through some tough times. All right, guys, Shane here, HomeBizNetworks.com. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the flip side.